This is weekly chart of Bitcoin. This was the bottom and this was the top of this trend. Price has made 50% retracement of this entire trend. On weekly chart, price is making support between 50 and 61% retracement. Weekly candle are making low below 50%, but they close above 50% retracement, which confirm somebody is buying Bitcoin. If 61% retracement break, then this previous all-time high is our next horizontal support. So on weekly chart, 50% retracement and this previous all-time high are our key support level. This is monthly chart. Last month candle made a low below 50% retracement but closed above 50% retracement level. Pay close attention where this month candle close. If this month candle close above 50% retracement, then it confirm buying. From next month candle you can expect start of bullish trend. The beginning of bullish trend from this buy zone between 50 and 61% retracement of this entire trend can be retracement to this bearish trend or beginning of this new trend. Investors who are buying at 50% retracement level will make money, whether it is correction to this bearish trend or beginning of new trend, because when you buy at 50% retracement level, this high is your first TP and 100% projection of this entire trend is your first profit target. Market can go to 38 or 61% projection, but it will go at least 100% projection. It will only confirm after breakout of this all-time high, but investor will take entry at this level. If low of this monthly candle break next month, then they will target for this previous all-time high white horizontal support. This is the entry of new investor. If you buy Bitcoin at the top and don't know what to do next, then you don't know what is happening from top to bottom of this trend. This is daily chart. This was the bottom when the trend started and this was the top. This was the A corrective wave and then it made almost 38% retracement, corrective wave V. Then wave C started and wave C made ending diagonal chart pattern. To get the top of this trend, we have used Fibonacci retracement and extension tool both. Retracement tool projected 61% projection and extension tool projected 100% projection at the top of this chart pattern. Length of wave A and C was equal in length. The ending diagonal chart pattern of wave C made top near this projection level, and you buy right at the top of the bullish trend. Now you are in the middle at 50% retracement of this entire trend. This is a TradingView post we shared on April 21. You don't need to learn entire Elliott wave theory. If you know anything about chart pattern, ending diagonal is happen at the top of the bull market, and after that there is only one thing, just crash. After TradingView, we explained this on YouTube video 2 months ago, and before price tested the upper trend line of this chart pattern, we also made a video and explained price will go to 100k, 80k or 70k. Ending diagonal at top of the bull market just bring crash, and this also happened recently in EURUSD. You can see the chart of EURUSD and see what happened there. It was the same chart pattern. This entire trend at this bottom was started when Fed start printing money. This was the first person. Then Twitter buy Bitcoin And then Jamie Dimon, he said Bitcoin is next big thing. In the last bullish trend of the Bitcoin, he was bearish, but this time he was bullish on Bitcoin. After Jamie Dimon, everyone joined the trend. PayPal buying Bitcoin. Then came Gary Gensler right at the top of this chart pattern as a SEC chairman. Before this chart pattern, Elon Musk was making money buying Bitcoin. Then he find out Bitcoin is bad for environment. He again made money selling Bitcoin. Everyone was making money buying Bitcoin, and you as an average investor and trader buy at exact top and still losing money. The fundamental reason behind this entire trend was Fed printing money, and they sold their Bitcoin before Fed start tapering, and gold was down after Fed meeting. When price was trading inside this chart pattern, everyone was saying Bitcoin is new gold, and they were dumping gold buying Bitcoin. And now they are saying investors are selling Bitcoin and buying gold, because you cannot compete with all of these people. You can use Fibonacci retracement and extension tool and get the top of this entire trend. Now back again on monthly chart. You buy at the top of the bull market because you missed everything, and now you are buying again at 50% retracement because you missed this entire trend. If the low of this monthly candle does not break next month, then after breakout of this all-time high, it was confirmed the next bullish trend, and they will target buying Bitcoin at the breakout of this all-time high will be risky, so they will be buying at 50 and 61% retracement of this entire trend. This is the same strategy that you use on H1 time frame or monthly time frame, taking entry at 50% retracement of the wave and exit at 100% projection of next wave. Before breakout of this all-time high, closing of this month and opening of next month and closing will confirm we will get this 100% projection or breakout of this all-time high, or it is just correction to this bearish trend.